In this video, today we are going to cover the northern part of Hyderabad. We'll try to see the real estate price trends which are running in northern part of Hyderabad. So coming to the northern part of Hyderabad, we have three major highways. One is the Karimnagar Highway, and the second one is Medchal, which is Nizamabad Highway, and the third one is Dundigal, which is Narsapur Highway. And coming to the prominent locations currently which are closer to the outer ring road and which are developing is Shamirpet, Medchal and Dundigal. So these are the major areas which have already grown and it is closer to the outer ring road exits. So coming to the details of Karimnagar Highway, you can see Shamirpet is very close by to the outer ring road. So because of the connectivity, Shamirpet has a higher price range of around 20 to 25,000 in HMDA layouts. So basically, like at the near Leonia Resort, we can see the price range is around 20 to 25,000. And coming to the other areas, we can see Aliabad and Lagadapati Malakpet. Here, the price range is around 15 to 20,000 in HMDA layouts, as the connectivity to Karimnagar Highway is good. And coming to the other areas are like Turkapalli. In Turkapalli, the residential area is on higher side, so the price range is also more, like around 15,000, and the growth prospect is good here. Like it's currently developing because of the connectivity to highway and the closer proximity to outer ring road. And coming to the other locations near Karimnagar Highway, we can see Keshavapuram, Lingapuram, and Lakshmapur. Here the price range is on the lower side, like 6 to 10,000 in approved layouts like DTCP layouts, and the price is on the lower side, and because the connectivity is like 5 to 10 kilometers from the highway, and the growth prospects are good because this is a pure residential area. And coming to the other part of Karimnagar Highway, we can see a connectivity road from Shamirpet to Medchal. So there is a high chance of this road getting developed. So there are many villages surrounding this connectivity road, and currently the price range here is around 15 to 20,000 since this is connecting two highways. And we can see villages like Kishtapur and other villages like Ganpur, Pudur and all closer to this connecting road. And coming to the inner part of Karimnagar Highway, within outer ring road we can see Tumkunta, which is already well developed, and it comes in multi-purpose zone. So because of multi-purpose zone, the development has been faster, and we can see many apartments and villas getting constructed in this area, and the price range is around 30,000 in this area. Okay, coming to the other part of northern region, we can see the Medchal highway, which is nothing but the Nizamabad highway. Here, Medchal is already a well-developed old town, so it has all the facilities available like the colleges, schools, and also the hospitals and all the prime banks. Everything are available. Bus stand. So because of the facilities availability and also the residential area, the price range is on the higher side, which is around 30 to 40,000 around Medchal town. If you go to other part of the Nizamabad highway, we can see Ativelli. Here, the area is growing slowly because of the builders constructing houses, and we can see the price is around 20 to 25,000 in this area, and the connectivity to highway is good. It is around 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer to the highway. And coming to the other areas, where we can see Dabilpur village, there is a crossroad to connecting to Dabilpur village, which is called Dabilpur crossroad. From this crossroad we can go to Dabilpur. Here the price range is around 15 to 20,000. So, and the growth prospects are also good because of the railway station here. And coming to the other areas like Yellampet and Kalakal, which are closer to the highway, the price range is around 20,000 because of good connectivity to the highway. And if you go further, we can see Kucharam. Here also the price is around 15 to 18,000 because of the good connectivity to the highway. And one of the drawback of Nizamabad highway is a parallel railway track goes through this highway. So because of that, till the railway track, the prices are on the higher side. And if you want to cross to the other part of the railway track, we need to cross through railway gates. So because of that, the other part of the railway track has not developed much, and the prices are on the lower side. For example, at Medchal, we can see another village called Girmapur, but between Girmapur and Medchal, there is a railway track. So because of that, Girmapur has prices on the lower side, which is around 15 to 18,000 in HMDA ventures. And there are some other villages like Railapur, where the price is around 20 to 25,000 because of the connectivity to both Medchal and the outer ring road. And there are some other villages like Gaudavelli. Gaudavelli has a good scope of development because of the railway station here. There is MMTS railway station, and the price range is around 20,000 to 25,000 here. And coming to the inner part of the Medchal highway, we can see Kandlakoya and Gundlapochampalli. Here the price has already peaked and the price is around 30,000 because of the good connectivity to the city and the outer ring road. And coming to the other areas, we can see here Jnanapur and other places near Hitam College, and also near to this Yashoda Hospital. Shubhagruha plots are also available, and the price range is around 30 to 35,000 because of the good connectivity. And many ventures from Saket also have come up here. Coming to the other highway, which is the Narsapur highway, there's a prime location called Dundigal, where it is already well developed and the price is on the higher side, around 30 to 35,000 because of the less residential area. There is a Air Force Academy here. So because of the Air Force Academy, the residential area is less. Since the residential area is less, the price is on the higher side, which is around 30 to 35,000. And some of the villages surrounding to this Narsapur highway like Gagilapur and Gaddapotaram, the price is around 25,000 because of the connectivity to the highway. And in Gaddapotaram, there are some chemical and pharma industries. Because of that, there is a chance of air and water pollution. So the price is slightly on the higher lower side because of the pollution issue, which is around 20 to 25,000 in this area. Even though the connectivity to ORR is good and the connectivity to the highway is good, because of the pollution, the price is on the lower side. And the main advantage of this area and this highway is it is slightly on the closer distance to Bachpally, and from Bachpally to Miapur we can travel to high-tech city. So because of the connectivity, this area has grown faster, and like Kishtaipalli and Bourampet villages have grown faster. And there are good connectivity to this areas through ORR, and also there is a direct connectivity to Patancheru and also Miapur. But since the residential zone due to HMDA master plan is on the is very less, so because of that the prices are high in this area. And coming to the other areas within the outer ring road, we can see Gandimaisamma and Gundlapochampalli. See, in Gandimaisamma, the price is already peaked and it is around 30 to 35,000 in good ventures. And if you see, there are many colleges and schools surrounding to this area. So it is a good area for residential purpose. But due to the chemical factories and other multi-purpose factories, multi-purpose zone is there, but still due to the factories, the residential area is less. That's it from this video.